Hello दोस्तों, today in this video how to use net user command to create user and delete user in this video throughout Windows. Now we are going to CMD, type CMD and run as a now yes, okay. That window will be show it and type CLS, that is system 32-bit. Now we are going to net users. I will show you net user that will be showing account how will we create in this system. So that is guest user and that will be an administrator that yes. Now we are going to create user net user /add user 4. Now we are getting to enter the password, that is the command will be successfully and completed. You create a user account, that will be showing it how to be check user will be created or not. Now we are going to show it, and that will be show could be not found. Yes, how that will how can show it. System will be countries and that will its default account will be activate never that will, and password last password expire password and never expire password, and password will be changed and 35 and that will be showing it in this system. Yes, no, we are allow, and that we how will we check membership, the local group membership in user and global group membership in none, and completed will be successfully. That is a non domain system na, that will be so that will be non global. Okay, now we are going to check local group net net user, sorry, net local, sorry, local. Hello hello CALGRO. Local group. Now enter. Yes, that will be showing it control that we always that we are showing it activity user. So will be now we are going to how to check, how to will we check local group administrator. TOR, okay, administrator space go forward and delete that. No, that is not command. Deleted user 4. Okay, that one will be error. Okay, okay, don't worry. We are going to net user, sorry, net user /delete delete user 4. Now that we completed, deleted. Now we are showing it net user, net user. Okay, We are delete 4 and we are delete 3 successfully. Now we are showing it net user. Okay, that will be deleted account, and we are showing a last account and 3 2 we will be create. And so thank you for watching this video, and please like, subscribe, and go forward. Any queries, please go in comment box, and the enter we have provide in next video you can solution. So thank